In this video, I'm going to be showing you how we're building our nonprofit's website. Our nonprofit is called the Sugar Smart Foundation, and we're going to be building our website using Go High Level software. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how we add an account to our main agency account. So we have an agency account through Go High Level where we put all our nonprofits into, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So if you're an agency watching this and you're wondering how do you create what are called sub accounts inside Go High Level, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Then I'm going to jump into the actual website builder and show you how I'm actually going to build the Sugar Smart Foundation right in front of you. And it's a simple 3-page website, but with Go High Level, you can do a lot of cool designs with it. We actually hired a designer to build us out a template, and we just recreate and build that template over and over again for all of our clients. And if they want color changes, we can do little things like that. So if you're interested in getting this template, check out pineapplesforprogress.com, fill out the application form, and then we'll get back to you on how you can get this template. Pretty much we'll sign you up through a sub account through us, and then we will send the template over to you so you can get access to that. All right, so let's jump in. I'm going to share my screen for this video. And we're going to jump in. I'm going to show you first how to create a sub account in Go High Level, and then also how to build your website, and specifically for our foundation called the Sugar Smart Foundation. All right, let me switch over and I'll share my screen. All right, so here we are inside Go High Level's agency view. So you may not see this because you may not be an agency, but if you are an agency, it's pretty easy. This is your agency view. You can see the different nonprofits we have. This is our agency. This is a nonprofit. This is a nonprofit. So to create a sub account, I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to be in agency mode and go to sub accounts. We're going to scroll all the way to the right and click add sub account. All right, so I'm just going to use a blank snapshot. And then you're going to search for your mailing address. So whatever mailing address you used for your nonprofit or for your website, it's going to find that for you. And then click that in there. I'm going to put my name in here. We don't have an email set up for this yet, but you can always go back and change that later. And then you're going to click save. And easy as that, you have all of your information put into here. I'm going to turn off WordPress and turn off Yext for now. And then email resell settings, you can get into this later. This is when you start sending emails and everything. All right, so general info is just everything we put in right there. Social profiles, if you have Facebook, LinkedIn, Foursquare, Twitter, Yelp, you can put them all into here and it will populate it across all the other platforms. We don't have any of these, so it doesn't really matter for us. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a templated website on here. So I'm going to click here to switch. We have our templates inside our agency, which is right here. And I'm going to come down here to sites, up here to websites. And you can see this template right here. So this template, 3-page website, home, blog, and terms of service. So what I can do with this is I can come over here, hit clone. I'm going to exit out of this. I'm going to come down here to Sugar Smart Foundation. And then the funnel name is going to be Sugar Smart Foundation by Doctors Travis and Jenna Ziegler. Again, if you just want to get the template from me, go to pineapplesforprogress.com, fill out the application form, and I'd be happy to send this to you. Especially if you're going to be under our sub account, then we can host for you as well if you just want to host it for very inexpensive. And then you'll have all the work done for you essentially. Now I'm going to hit confirm. It will take a couple minutes to load and copy over to Sugar Smart Foundation. So I'm going to pause the video right here and I'll pop back open when it's ready. Hey, it's Dr. Travis Ziegler, and I'm going to thank you for watching this video. Now, if you haven't started your nonprofit or you're looking for a way to increase and build awareness around your nonprofit by getting more donations and getting more traffic on your blog, then head to pineapplesforprogress.com. Pineapples for Progress is our nonprofit division of our advertising agency, Profitable Pineapple Ads. It's where we help you get the $120,000 Google Ads grant. Now, if you're not a nonprofit yet, we'll help you get started with your nonprofit as well. So we'll help you start your nonprofit, we'll help you build your website, and then we'll also help you get that Google Ads grant and run those $120,000 a year in Google Ads that you get per year. So that's $329 a day that you are leaving on the table from not advertising using the Google Ads grant. We'll help you get it, we'll help you maintain it, we'll help you build awareness for your nonprofit and build your donations. And then if you haven't started a nonprofit, I'd love to talk to you about why you should have one. So head to pineapplesforprogress.com, pineapplesforprogress.com. All right, back to the video. Okay, so it looks like it's done. And so once I do that, you'll be able to find it in your sub account. And so I'm going to switch over to my new sub account, which is right here, Sugar Smart Foundation. So Sugar Smart Foundation, now we need to design the website. So it's currently designed with the I Believe Foundation. Now make sure you go through all of this. I'm going to show you the terms of service first, and you're going to see it's going to say I Believe Foundation quite a bit. And so what you'll want to do is you'll just want to hit Control F, type in I Believe. Then you can see it right there. And then we're just going to replace all of these with our new name. Now, of course, I am not an attorney, so make sure that you read through this yourself and you make sure it makes sense for your nonprofit. This makes sense for my nonprofit because of how we use the nonprofit and how we get donations and how we put blog posts, but make sure this makes sense for you. And so I am not responsible. I am just a man on the internet that is marketing this. Make sure you do your due diligence, hire an attorney to go over this terms of service. This is my terms of service, not yours. Make sure you go over it. All right, I'm going to go through and fill this out, and then I'm going to get back to the home page. So I'm going to speed up the video right now, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now I went to save it, and we're just going to change it. So terms of service, Sugar Smart Foundation. As you guys know, I love to use ChatGPT as much as I can. So give me a title and description for this terms of service page. I'm going to have GPT-4 with my link plugin, which is called Access Links. Should be able to spit us out a title and a description pretty quickly. There you go. Don't really have to worry too much about this because you're not really worried about SEO, but if you want to update it, you can. All right, so that's all saved. So terms of service is good. Again, go through that, make sure it makes sense for you. This does not make sense for the Sugar Smart Foundation right now, but for simplicity of this video, I'm just going to show you that I just made a couple updates here and there. Now let's go to the main page. I want to show you some updates on that. And so first thing is your logo right here. So you want to upload your logo. Make sure you make this a little smaller. I think we're just a little too big. There we go. So after you click on the logo, you can change how far it goes left and right inside that space. But like I said, we've designed this so it should be pretty efficient already. Element name, you can put Sugar Smart Foundation logo. And we're going to scroll down here, make sure it's aligned, and then we're going to find the Sugar Smart logo. So we're going to upload a file and double click it, and it should pop in right there. Here's your home and blog. This is your navigation menu, and then your Donate Now button. Donate Now button, we just use PayPal for that, and it donates to a PayPal button. So Sugar Smart, and then we're going to update this. Let's change the colors to match our logo. Let's see. Let me figure out what color that is. Okay, so I didn't find the color. You can add a custom one. So what I did is just got a dropper to see what color that green was, and I'll add it in here. And then you can see it show up right there. And then same thing with this other color, change it to that as well. But I don't like the same colors to be used, so I'm going to use that other green for that one. Same thing for this button. Change the color of it. You can just change these photos. Just gonna upload a file. This will talk about our story. We'll change this photo too. And let me go find our values and everything. All right, so we have most of this stuff in Jasper when we made that. So what I'm going to do is just open up Jasper and then fill in these things. So let's see, bold text color. I think I just make it bold and it will turn it white. There we go. Smarter choices, healthier habits. Our story. And say our mission. Core values are in Jasper as well. Probably make this a little bigger to make it kind of match with the values. Might be a little too big. There we go. It's a little better. Our mission, let's make that a little bigger. Okay, we're just going to make some more changes here and just match the colors. The nice thing about these navigation menus is that you don't have to change anything because it will go to the right page. So go to Home, Submit, Blog page, go to Blog, Submit, Terms of Service page, go to Terms of Service, Submit, change this logo again, just like we did last time. And then we'll change this video soon. Actually, I'll just get rid of this video for now, so we don't need it. And then we'll do that same thing with the navigation bar up here. Home will go to Home. Blog will go to Blog. We're going to click Save. Come up here, go to Settings, go to Meta Settings. It's going to be Sugar Smart Foundation. Dr. Travis Jenna Ziegler. Keywords. And there you go. We're going to update that. Hit Save again. And one final thing I wanted to show you with regards to building this website, there's a lot of other things that you can do with this, but I'm just showing you the bare bones of it, is blogs. And so if you come over here to this blogs tab and you can create blogs, and whenever you create a blog post, it's pretty easy to create. It's done the same way we just showed you with the websites. You can add things, subtract things. It will actually appear automatically on this page. So you can see no blogs found. Now watch what happens. I'm going to build out a blog real quick, and then you'll see it. So I'm going to fast forward the video through this so you can see it. All right, so I'm going to go to Jasper to create this blog post. I'm going to go to the chat feature. I'm just going to type in here, create me a 1,000 word article on the effects of sugar and how it is harming our children. All right, so the effects of sugar on children. So we're going to come back here to Go High Level, create a blog post. Title is going to be this. You can put a cover image there. I'm just going to put the Sugar Smart Foundation, but do a better one than that. Come back to Jasper and say, give me a meta description. So there's that right here. Create post, come over here, get the article. And then you can see they have you can just kind of delete all this stuff, but I can post it all right there. And there's your article. And then you fix it up so you can change things like delete. And then if you need to add anything, you can add it right over here. You add pictures, videos, audio, things like that, videos, all of that. And if you want to delete stuff, just delete it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty easy to use. I'm going to hit save. Continue. Now watch what happens. I'm going to add add your name here. Save as draft. Total blogs. So now let's go back to this website. We'll go into here and let's preview this blog post. And it's still not showing, but it will eventually just show up there as a listed blog once it's published. So I hope this was helpful in showing you how to set up a website using Go High Level. Again, if you just want the template that you saw there, the design and everything, and you want me to just copy it over to you, you can become a sub-account user for us. It's very low cost. We host your website and everything. And you can go in here and design it yourself and everything. If you want us to do all that for you, we can talk about that too. So you can do that at pineapplesforprogress.com. Now, in the next video in our nonprofit series, I'm going to be going over how to apply for TechSoup. And then after TechSoup, we're going to apply for the Google Ads grant. And we're going to try to get that $120,000 per year in Google Ads grant that I've discussed. So we have built our website. We're then going to apply for TechSoup and then apply for the $120,000 in Google Ads grant. So check out that video next. And if you found any value out of this video and you think that someone else could benefit from it, please share this video. That's how this channel grows. That's how we impact more nonprofits. And that's how we help more nonprofits impact the world. So please share this content if you took away anything from it. Again, Dr. Travis Ziegler here, and I appreciate you watching this video. Hey, I wanted to thank you for watching this video, and I picked out another video just for you. So make sure you check out that other video. And what do they need to do? Do they need to like and subscribe? Yeah. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. What do you think?